All right, welcome to the channel. Today I just got a quick little video. If you watch my channel, I put up a short that my wife made of a little visitor we had, that bear, that tried to get up on my bird feeders. He couldn't make it. But anyway, a couple days later after that video, a bigger bear must have came in because they trashed my bird feeder pole. Okay. The arms I had on there, they bent them, were able to grab the bird feeders and pull them right down, broke all the arms off, ate up a couple of my suet cages, trashed my oriole feeder, stopped on it. And yeah, so I had to buy some new stuff and repair my bird feeder pole. So I just want to show you what I picked up. If you want to see the little video of the little bear trying to get it, I'll put it right here.
Bear in my front yard trying to get the bird feeder. Yo, beat it. Little shit.
Okay. So I just finished this today. Been raining and waiting for stuff. So I ended up getting some, I don't know if you can see them, some little, they look kind of like wrought iron wrought iron hangers. They're a little bit shorter, not as quite as long, so it's a little bit more compact in here. I picked those up. If you can't really see, I'll put a picture of them right here. And if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description below. But hold on, look at my little buddy. You want your peanuts? Hold on. Come here. Come on, there you go. Another? You get it? Here. You gonna get it? Get your peanut. There you go. That's my little friend. Get your peanut. There we go. Where was I? Yeah. So if you're interested, there'll be a link in the description below if you want to pick these up. They were relatively cheap. It came 4-pack. Kind of raw irony looking. Okay. So then I put up all the squirrel things, squirrel baffles. I use them more as a roof so the birds could be underneath there and not get so soaking wet. But anyway, I had one suet cage left, put that up there. And this is my old bird feeder. This is my old bird feeder. Haven't been doing bird seed for a while, but I decided to buy some more. So with that, all right, got that. This new oriole feeder I ordered. Okay, you can put the oranges on each side. Grape jelly, grape jam. Okay, that's brand new. I'll put a picture over here. And if you're interested, the link will be in the description below. And I don't think I showed you this, but I did pick this up too. This is another suet cage. It's wooden one. And I don't know if I showed this on a video, but anyway, this is more for the bigger woodpeckers and stuff so that, you know, they can grab onto this wood and their tails can hang down there. It's a little bit more to grab onto. I don't know. The birds don't seem to like this one as much as the regular old cage, but, you know, I'll put a picture of it right here. And if you're interested, there'll be a link in the description below. But anyway, just had to repair this, got this back up. I haven't been feeding the birds in quite a few weeks, and so they all moved over to my brother's house. But I been watching since I put this up. There's only been a couple birds. Of course, one grackle came in already, which, whatever. I hate those, and I think there's one in the tree right now. Uh, I haven't seen many birds come yet. Oh, and here's my little friend. You ready? Here, come here. Hey, where you going? Come here. Uh-oh, little fight there. Oh, you're coming over too now? You want one? Come on. I got a couple of them. This one's older. He lives over there. Here. Hey, buddy. I got your peanuts. Here, I got two. Come here. Oh, that's not even my friend. Oh well. Okay. Like I said, short video. Uh, if you're not a subscriber, I greatly appreciate it if you subscribe. Trying to get this channel monetized. I know it's going to be hard to get this channel monetized because I'm all over the place with different types of videos. But like I said, this is whatever's going on in my life at the time. So anyway, if you're interested in subscribing, I greatly appreciate it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see some more of my videos, check out the next one up here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.